Do you rent in Florida? There are so many renters in Florida for obvious reasons. Some snowbirds live in Florida part-time. People move down from other states and rent for extra flexibility. The one thing the team at Effective Coverage is committed to doing is helping the nearly 2.5 million renters in Florida get affordable renters insurance. You see, the scary part is that even though there's a theft of property in Florida every 50 seconds, over 60% of the renters do not have insurance. And let's not forget about the fact that a hurricane could occur at any time. That means renters just like you are coming home to a catastrophe with absolutely no protection. The team here at Effective Coverage is doing everything in our power to change that. Across the state of Florida, from the Panhandle to the Florida Keys, Effective Coverage protects tenants and ensures they can survive nearly any crisis. Here's the good news, that while Florida is one of the most expensive states in the country to get renters insurance, it's still relatively inexpensive given what you're getting for the price. Here's the other good news. According to the Insurance Information Institute, the cost of a policy is $210 a year. But if you're lucky, you could even purchase that policy for less at EffectiveCoverage.com. Now, Florida is known as a beautiful place to live. A walk along the beach in Miami says it all. But whether you live in Miami Beach or Palm Springs, you need renters insurance to protect you from that inevitable catastrophe. Florida renters insurance comes with many different coverages, but they can be boiled down into three main groups or categories of coverage. First, your personal liability insurance. This is the part that protects you should you cause bodily injury or property damage to another. Let's say you caused a fire, you left a stove unattended, or you caused one of the nearly 200,000 cooking fires that happens every year. Even if you live in one of the high-rises along the Intercoastal in Fort Lauderdale, people will still hold you responsible for your actions. This policy will pay to defend you and the damages you cause other tenants, even the building owner. Next, your personal property coverage. Things like your furniture, clothing, and electronics would all need to be replaced in the event of a fire or natural catastrophe. Unexpected events like hurricanes can occur in Florida, as we all know, and these policies will be there to protect you should your property need to be replaced, even in the worst case scenario. Last piece of coverage on your Florida renters insurance is loss of use. This part of the policy will pay for you to stay in a hotel after a covered loss. You do not want to have to pay for that hotel in Florida, especially when snowbirds are in town. We did some research in Tampa Bay and found a very basic hotel costs nearly $205 a night. Loss of use coverage on your policy will pay for that hotel stay after a covered loss. Now here's the good news. You can have all the insurance you need in less than 5 minutes from right now. There's only one full-service insurance provider in the country dedicated specifically to renters, and that's Effective Coverage. Just call Effective Coverage and speak with one of our insurance experts for renters, or visit our website and get a quote for your Florida renters insurance policy right there. Thanks for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.